Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with this awesome video. Today I have with me here the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. This could be easily called a younger brother of the Mi Note 10, which was launched a few weeks back, and today this is younger brother. The packaging looks pretty neat and clean, and while I rip the packaging off and see what's inside the box, why don't you just go ahead and please press that subscribe button and the bell icon, and so that you can get all the videos that I post and get the latest update on the latest products and gadgets that UAE market has to bring to you. Let's get straight on to it. So the box is pretty simple and it's got some basic branding on both the sides, and on one side we've got the configuration details and what model it is. It's Mi Note 9, and the one we have here is in purple. Inside the box is the USB-C type cable and fast charging adapter. And look at what the phone has to offer after this, and I'll be right back with it. Hello guys, I'm back again. I have with me the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, the younger brother of the Mi Note 10, which was launched a few weeks back. And while I've turned and tested this phone for a few days now, let me tell you a little bit more about what it packs inside. From the art scale of it, it is 6.47 inches of AMOLED captive touchscreen with 16 million colors and a screen to body ratio of 87.8%, with fairly slim bezels and the curved screens on the side. It's Gorilla Glass 5 in the front, and at the back it comes in three different colors. The one we have here is the purple one, and it also does come in midnight black and glacier white, and they technically call this a nebula purple. Pretty neat looking piece with with the teardrop camera on the top and the speaker right at the top, and the infrared port, which is quite standard in most of the Xiaomi devices. At the bottom we've got another speaker, USB-C charging, and a 3.5mm jack. The screen is pretty neat, the colors are pretty amazing. It's got 1080 by 2340 pixel with 19.5 by 9 ratio. It is 398 ppi density. It emits about 430 nits of brightness on HDR10. Pretty nice for a beautiful looking phone that runs on MIUI 11 on Android 10. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 730G processor, which is an octa-core processor, which means 2 of 2.2 gigahertz Cairo 470 gold and 6 of 1.8 gigahertz Cairo 470 silvers, which is pretty awesome, which means the device packs pretty amazing power inside. It comes in two different variants, the 64GB with 6GB RAM and a 128GB with 8GB RAM. One of the things which we always speak about when we talk about Xiaomi is the quality of cameras. Now this has got a quad camera, and the main camera is 64 megapixels, which is f1.9 26mm wide camera. It's got an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera for those closer shot, and 5 megapixel depth camera with f2.4, which is amazing. A quad LED flash and an HDR and a panorama modes available in the camera settings. Pretty nice. The rear camera can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080p videos at 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. And if you want to go a little low on the quality in terms of 720p, it can go up to 960 frames per second. The selfie camera is pretty awesome as well. It's got a 16 megapixel wide camera with f2.5 with HDR and panorama modes, which can also do videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Along with that, it packs in the standard features in terms of the on-screen fingerprint scanner for the security, accelerometer, gyrometer, and the compass. One of the USPs of this particular phone, which is pretty awesome, is the size of the battery. It has 5260 mega ampere battery, and it comes with 30-watt fast charging, which means you can charge up the phone in literally about an hour's time, and that size of a battery can easily go up to 2 days, which is pretty awesome. Guys, this is an amazing phone. The camera is amazing. The look and feel of the product is very premium. It's just one of the very decent phones and which Xiaomi has come up with. We'll do another comparison video comparing it directly with its elder brother, which is Mi Note 10, and see difference is. In the meantime, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and that bell icon, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave us a comment if you have any questions about the product or the kind of videos that you want us to share with you. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off with Mi Note 10 Lite. Peace.